Recession is canceled. Recession is canceled. Everybody, back to your jobs, back to the printing of money. We're all rich. Wag me. Recession is canceled. This is not financial advice. I'm a guy in my basement. From time to time, I light up a joint, drink a little bit of coffee, and we take a look at my portfolio and what I'm doing. I'm an idiot. Don't follow me. Let's get right into it. SPY is up almost 1%. QQQ is up a full percent going into the morning, but falling. We did open green, which is very interesting. It is June 6, 2022. Bitcoin is up almost 5%. Ethereum is up over 5%. Cardano is up over 8%. Very interesting. Have we bottomed here on the S&P 500? Is the recession canceled? Is it over with? Are we going back to the moon right now? Nobody really knows. Could this be like a little bounce on our way down? I possibly think so. I definitely don't think we just go straight back to all-time highs on the S&P 500 while interest rates are going up, while we're seeing massive inflation, while we're having supply chain issues, while gas is over $5. There's a war in the Ukraine and Russia. There is still a little bit of COVID restrictions going on in China and around the world. People need to just let go of it as the flu. I just don't see with all these things in the past 2 years of inflation of us just going straight to the top. I think it's best maybe if we just chopped around sideways for a few years and let profitability of companies and all the pull forward that's happened from people just paying ridiculous prices for shares of stock for all that to come forward with growth. But I do think we see a further fall. We look at the S&P 500 here, the 200-week moving average, which has usually been good support. We still have a long way to fall on the S&P 500 as well as the QQQ. So I really do think this is just a little bit of a relief rally here. And maybe by the end of the week, we could be down or even going into next week. I'm not really betting long. The long bets I am taking, I have started to purchase shares of stock again, like a boomer. We're going to put the goal of buying like 100 shares or $100, not 100 shares, $100 of ETFs a week. Currently, we purchase SPHD and DGROW, and we're going to watch this portfolio grow. SPHD is a monthly high dividend, low volatility ETF, very focused on the S&P 500 and very stable stocks. Same with dividend growth. DGROW is another ETF that's focused on companies that have consistently raised their dividends year over year. So I'm purchasing future cash flow. I'm very scared about looking at growth stocks, companies that don't turn a profit in this climate and higher interest rates. So I'm willing to focus now and go more conservative. I'm also looking to pick up more real estate and do flips with the Lucid Lounge portfolio, as you guys see in our other videos and stuff like that. Same with Bitcoin and Ethereum. I think they track outside markets, and I know they've been performing a little bit better than traditional markets. But I do think if traditional markets are going to fall and we're going to go into a little bit of a recession here, jobs tightening, people tightening their belt on how they spend with inflation at the grocery store and at the gas pump, I could see things like Ethereum and Bitcoin falling further. So I just want to look at cautionary investments. That's not to say we are still fully exposed to cryptocurrency. We are using the Alchemix. We are using our Alchemix vault and treasury to kind of hedge our portfolio and buy and flip some real estate as well. That's where our kind of focus is as we let the news kind of digest and the data roll in for the next 3 to 6 months on how companies and the economy are doing. This is not financial advice. If you like the video, hit the like, subscribe button, comment down below. Is the recession canceled? Are we just getting started? Ring that little notification bell if you like all these weird videos we do. And thank you for watching. Is that a good one?